Hi, good morning everybody. I'm Elijah Ramonida. I'm CEO of Elijah Ramonida Technical Services, LLC Dubai. I'm here in my office now. So I want to say you hello and have a good day. Bye.